Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Baking and Buttercream, and in this behind the buttercream video, me and my friend Brian here are doing the gingerbread house challenge.
Yeah!
Okay guys, so we have everything set up, we have all our decoration stuff, so we have 10 minutes to decorate these houses, and then after the 10 minutes, we'll have 5 minutes to decorate a gingerbread cookie. Alright Brian, can you start the timer for decorating the houses?
Here we go. It started.
Grab your stuff, Brian.
Oh, let's see.
Do you have a strategy, Brian?
Nope, not at all.
Dang it, I was hoping you did so I could take it from you. So as of right now, I know you guys can't see the front, which is what we're decorating, so it'll be kind of a surprise for you when we're done. Just keep piping. Also guys, if you want to go see the last behind the buttercream video, there's a card in the upper corner. So go check that out. In that video, me and my brother, we tried Czech Republic, what are they called? Snacks, that's what it is, food. We tried Snack Republic.
Snack Republic,
We tried Czech Republic snacks. There we go.
Snack Republic.
Guys, English is difficult. How's the time?
I don't know. I'm scared to check. Oh my goodness.
What's it at?
2 minutes and something.
Alright, should we add some extra time?
I feel like yes.
Alright, we should add like 5 extra minutes.
My house is falling apart. My artistic side is coming out and it is not looking terrible. How do we decide who won?
They decide.
How do they decide?
They will comment and down below in the comments. I don't know what I should add.
Me either, but I know we're low on time and I have to keep moving if I want to beat you.
Timer's up.
No!
Okay, so now we have 5 minutes to decorate an accessory. We have Christmas trees, gingerbread men, or reindeer. Brian, can we set another timer for 5 minutes? We have 5 minutes to decorate however many of these we want, and then we can just add them on to our house later. And then our houses will be complete, and we'll show you guys the final product.
Complete.
I need to drown my guy in sprinkles.
Yours looks pretty good too.
His shirt looks ugly.
1 minute and 10 seconds. Timer, yay.
And now let's go ahead and assemble and finish our gingerbread houses by putting up our little pieces on top. We'll see you when they're finished. Alright guys, so we have finished. Also guys, if you want to see Brian in another video, let me know in the comments down below. But also don't forget, whenever we reach 375 subscribers, I'll have Brian over and we'll do the gross smoothie challenge in honor of you guys reaching the 375 subscriber goal.
That's gonna be awesome. Or terrible, I don't know.
Probably gonna be gross.
Well,
so let's go ahead.
In the name.
Yeah. Now let's go ahead and show you Brian's house. Brian, can you talk about your house a little bit?
It's in the middle of a forest somewhere. Not quite like the witch's house in Hansel and Gretel, but you know, like a simple woodsman's house, and the reindeer's blocking the doorway.
Darn reindeer. This is my house. As you can see, it's a normal Christmas house with a Christmas tree, a reindeer, and a guy who looks like he might kill you. Or your Uncle Fred. You can never tell. So let us know which house is better in the comments down below, and choose one of the 2 videos right here. YouTube recommends this one near Brian. Say hi to the video, Brian.
Hi, video.
And then this one in front of me is recommended by Baking and Buttercream. And subscribe to the channel by clicking the Baking and Buttercream icon. So, thank you for watching. Happy Christmas.
See ya.